Hello my friends and welcome to another Tuesday of tutorial. I am Leonardo Perez Nieto and today we will draw an armadillo. This was a petition from Martina Rodriguez. We begin by sketching an oval pretty flat at the bottom. Let's make a line indicating the ground and then draw the head, which is similar to a cone, a little bit squashed. Like so. Then they have bands in the armor to make it so that they can fold. Some more than others, as there are currently 21 different species of it, different variations, several of them in danger of extinction. They have short legs, but they can move quickly. Armadillo means little armored ones in Spanish. Let's draw the hind legs and then the bands. The armor is made like of a bony substance with a scaly skin on top. I mean covering it. They have a sort of helmet on this top area of the head and large ears with little eyes like so. And they have the nose down here. The head is pretty slender for this type of armadillo, which is the one with 9 bands on the armor. The helmet or the hard part on top of the head has something that resembles scales, while this lower part has soft skin and a little bit of fur. As you saw, we began shading. I'm using an HB lead, that is medium hardness. The tail also has armor. It is made up of small hard sections. I knew that armadillos had a protective armor on top, but I had never really seen how it works. But it is pretty amazing, especially for the 3-band armadillo, which when in danger jumps and transforms into a perfect sealed ball. I will switch the lead in my Tuto3 mechanical pencil for a softer one, a 2B, so as to be able to achieve the darks, for the dark shadows. Armadillos live only in the Americas, originally only in South America, but now they live also in Central and the southern part of North America. They look a bit like rodents, but they are not. They eat ants and other small creatures with no bones. They have powerful claws, which they use to dig their burrows. They have something like scales on the legs as well. The 9-banded armadillo is noted for its movement through water, which he can do in 2 ways. He can walk underwater for short distances and he can hold the breath for up to 6 minutes, and to cross longer distances, he's capable of increasing his floating abilities by swallowing air, inflating his stomach and intestines. Pretty amazing. And if you made it all the way to this point, I would love to know it. Please in the comments write me the secret code, the friendly armadillo, and it's ready. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like, subscribe to Fine Art Tips if you haven't done so already, click on the little bell to get notifications of new videos, and I will see you with more creations on Tuesday.